Hello to all my viewers. This is Dr. Dhaval Maheta, and today we will understand how to run correlation analysis in KNIME. So for this, we will go in KNIME Analytics platform. I'll activate input output from here. And in this case, I'll activate CSV reader as my dataset is in CSV format. Now, I'll double click on it so that I can browse my dataset. I'll connect Heart 1 here. Press apply, click OK. Right click on it and execute. Again, right click on it and see the file table. Now I want to see, is there any correlation between cholesterol and resting blood pressure or not? So we want to run the correlation between these two variables. How can I do it? I'll simply write down here correlation. So activate the linear correlation. Again, right click on it, configure. We don't want to run within all of them. We only want the correlation between cholesterol and resting blood pressure. It is a two-sided test which we will apply. Click OK, right click on it and execute. Again, right click on it and see the correlation measure. Just see the p-value. Here, the p-value is less than 0.05, which means that the correlation is present. I again repeat, whenever a p-value is less than 0.05, it means that the correlation is present. How much is the correlation? It's 0.1. Again, right click on it and you can see the correlation matrix also. The correlation is low, but it is significant. Between resting blood pressure and cholesterol, 0.10. So this is a way you can run correlation analysis in KNIME. For more videos on KNIME, kindly subscribe to my channel. You can follow me on LinkedIn and Twitter. Please refer my playlist in which I've already uploaded many videos on KNIME.